gets high sometimes, you know. What else can we do when we're feeling low?
Today, we want to learn about incident prevention while handling lathe machine. An incident is the description of an individual or combined series of causal events and the effect of an action or actions that creates unwanted situation towards human beings, objects, or substances. Unfortunately, most of the occurrences are identified as human errors or unsafe acts and unsafe conditions of the environment. Heinrich 1959. In his analysis, Heinrich concludes 88% of industrial accidents are caused by unsafe acts of workers. 10% of industrial accidents happen due to unsafe conditions. 2% are unavoidable act of God. There are 4 types of incident. First, death. Second, injury minor or major. Third, property damage. 4, near miss. There are 5 major elements on cause of accident. First, fault of the person. Second, lack of machine. Third, workplace. Fourth, material or handling. 5, environment.
Everybody gets high sometimes, you know.
General workshop rule. First, make sure that you always tidy and wear proper attire with safety shoes and work quietly and give your full attention to the job. SOP, Standard Operation Procedure. First, before use, the workpiece must be firmly attached to the chuck. Adjust the speed according to the diameter of the workpiece. Set the tool in accordance with the work process. Turn the chuck by hand to make sure there is clearance between the tool and tool post with chuck and workpiece. On the switch on the insulator and the machine. Push down the starting lever for turn on the chuck. Do not change gear while rotating chuck. Do not operate more than one machine. Do not leave the machine during the chuck is rotating. Free the starting lever to stop the chuck. Press the brake and emergency stop switches of emergency. After use, turn off the switch on the machine and isolators. Live center should be deprived of the tailstock center. The back and park must be brought right overall health and vitality. Make sure the cross lie at 0 degrees. Close the chuck jaws and clean the machine.
You shouldn't be driving